Lord, today I'll show how to recover a TikTok account without an email address or phone number. First, open your browser, type in TikTok support to find their support center. Yes, there's contact at the bottom. Click on contact. Click on account here. Here, click on account manager, login, or other options. Now click more help and continue with email address. Here's the problem report section. Write your problem here, okay? For example, select change account information. Choose other category. Enter your TikTok username and an email where you can receive a response. Describe your account loss problem. You can attach evidence proving the account was yours. You can add information or they'll ask for it themselves. You can also attach a screenshot here. Click the checkboxes and submit. After that, you'll receive a response. Leave a like. This was Velour with you. Goodbye, everyone.